Tropical storm Hagpit is heading to Manila, but has been downgraded from a typhoon after crossing the country. At least 21 people were killed by the storm, the Red Cross said, with the eastern island of Samar worst hit, but it caused far less damage than feared. Thousands of people are heading home after about 1 million people were evacuated from vulnerable areas. The city of Tacloban, which bore the brunt of Super Typhoon Haiyan last year, has emerged relatively unscathed. Albay Province, which evacuated more than half its population, has called for those people to go home. After spending 3 days at a school in Pulangi, families are packing into small military trucks, holding 1 or 2 plastic bags with the essentials they brought with them. They worry about the state in which they'll find their homes, but many are most worried about their rice fields, their only source of income. One woman reached her house and found it flooded and uninhabitable. For her, that means at least one more night in the evacuation center. In the capital, residents are preparing for heavy rain and strong winds. The typhoon is still traveling westwards across the Philippines.